How to change virtual background image on Zoom. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Zoom, make sure you're in the meeting. Then, beside your video, you will find the arrow-like option. Click on the arrow-like option beside video, which will open all these options. Click on Adjust Backgrounds and Effects. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find virtual backgrounds. Simply select the one you prefer. After that, your background will be changed. And this is how to change virtual background image on Zoom. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.